the information given in this question is opening balance of creditors 40,000, closing balance of creditors 50,000, payment made in cash to creditors 85,000 and discount received during the year 2,000. You are required to calculate credit purchases. Now we all know that in order to calculate credit purchases we must prepare total creditors account. So let us start. That is, the first entry would be the opening balance of creditors. So it would be by balance brought down. Opening balance is 40,000. Since creditors are liabilities, therefore credit balance. To balance carried down, that is closing balance, which in this case is 50,000. Then next information that is given to us is payment made to creditors in cash is 85,000. So when the payment is made, the journal entry is creditors to cash. So it would be recorded on the debit side of the creditors account as to cash account 85,000, and when the discount is received, entry is creditors to discount received. Again on the debit side to discount received, amount is 2,000. All the information that is given here has been posted to this account. So let us total it out and find the balancing figure. Here it would be 1,37,000, that is the total. 137 minus 40 gives us 97,000. This 97,000 is our credit purchase during the year. And how have we calculated it? It is the balancing figure. That is by deducting the total of the two columns, and the total on both the sides would be 1,37,000. So you can see that by preparing total creditors account, we were able to calculate the amount of credit purchase made during the year.